this entire thing without burping?
Yeah, and again, I'm home tonight, I'm not going anywhere, so as long as I know what to check tonight, I can check it and